All right. So, are there any people in the audience who are here as support for someone? All right. So here's the rule, and I want you all to listen to me very carefully. If you try to communicate with an inmate in the box,
And boom, Judge Boyd lays down the rules early. Notice how she's not just protecting order here. She's protecting the integrity of the trial. One slip up from the audience could derail an entire case. What do you think? Fair or too strict?
complete deadline date, but I did inform you all if between November and now, if all the discovery hasn't been done, the court would reconsider the plea deadline.
It doesn't need to be right now, but it's something.
All right. So this is up for trial.
To just day defense asked in the constitution and applied to a concern and related to that. The first stage is the awareness part of aware. I don't have any documents, but I asked it over.
Oh, it's easy to figure out if somebody's applied for U visas, so that'll be able to be done. All right. Well, we'll take that up at 11:30.
Okay, so come back at 11:30.
Yes. We'll see if we have an interpreter available for the trial if your case is going.
Okay, and
All right.
is that when I'm going to find out where I am in the line? I'll see you at 11:30.
All right. Thank you. Jose Barrera?
My wife and I work really different hours, and getting a job, getting to from would be hard for us. We have gotten driving faster for can't work at night or certain times throughout the day.
The GPS hasn't affected any of these prospects.
Not this time.
And before he was arrested in November of 23, was he employed?
He had worked at 2 jobs. He wasn't arrested at that time. That was 2 years prior to being arrested.
So conditions haven't had any effect on previous employment.
Hasn't at this time, except for requesting to attend interviews.
Something safe.
All right. Any follow up?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much. All right. The person in the red jacket, can you come forward, please? All right. If she's underage, she should be in school. And my understanding is, for those who have children, are there any districts that are not currently in school? Nobody has children? Judson is back. All right, so she needs to be removed from the courtroom. I don't have underage people in the courtroom. All right, and the purple person in the gray suit, who is he? All right, you're the U.S. executive with which part of the United States? I mean, all right, so do you have documentation? All right, thank you so much. You're excused. Thank you. Right. Have a great day. All right, so my understanding is that you are outside speaking with members of the jury. Is that correct? That's either yes or no. No. You were outside speaking to the jurors, yes or no? Nope. Were you outside?
Quick legal insight. A plea deadline is a last chance for a defendant to strike a deal before trial. Miss it, and you're rolling the dice with a jury. Hey, the defense is scrambling for more time. Classic courtroom maneuvering.
You know that you are not supposed to be speaking with the jurors in the hallway. You were. Those jurors were not asking you any questions. You took it upon yourself to tamper with the jury that is coming up here for jury selection. You are not allowed in this courthouse anymore. Do you understand? No. Do you understand? So do not come back into the courthouse. That means this courthouse. That means the courthouse next door, that is the historical courthouse. Do you understand? Right. All right. If you can see that he's escorted off the premises. Oh, God bless you too. But personally, I don't feel comfortable with using this jury as the jury pool because I don't know what was said. My understanding is that he is involved in a case here, not as a witness, not as a party whatsoever, but just as maybe a friend of a friend of a friend of a cousin. All right. All right, Ms. Compton. All right. And the other issue, you were not present, but you were number one for jury trial. However, the person who was here in the gray suit who said that he was with the U.S. government, he was speaking to the jurors in the hallway. So I don't feel comfortable with using the jury panel that we have.
And Judge, I'm not quite sure how to handle it. I did talk to Daniel about him, and I did make a call before the holidays to the jail. He has been filing all sorts of stuff in this case. I don't know what his relationship is with his family. I don't talk to him I've never spoken to him. He has communicated with me threats that he's going to sue me in federal court and all kinds of stuff like that. But the thing that troubles me most when I call the jail to let him know is that he evidently had an attorney visit on the video visit, not a recorded visit, an attorney visit with this guy, with my client. Now, I tried to find out if they had a record of that or how it happened. My client doesn't know.
Well, what I've done is I've asked that he not be allowed back in the courthouse. And the deputy took a photo of him. So somebody can let the sheriff know that he's not to have attorney visits if he's not his attorney.
He's also right now the person who is on bond for an aggravated assault. So somebody might want to talk to pretrial services or his bond.
So somebody, they may want to talk to his pretrial services officer. And honestly, the name that he gave me, I don't even believe that's his real name because he seemed to be stumbling over what his name was. But the deputies did take...
Whoa! Plot twist. Someone underage sneaks into court. Judges don't play around with minors in adult courtrooms. It's both a legal liability and a distraction. Did you catch how fast Judge Boyd shut that down?
Violating bond, and his bond has been increased to $500,000. And if he is able to make bond again, he cannot have any contact with the 187th District Court, Judge Boyd, and any criminal defendant currently in the Bexar County Jail.
Okay, this is huge. Jury tampering is no joke. It can lead to mistrials, wasted taxpayer money, and even criminal charges. The judge's patience? Completely gone. This is where courtroom drama turns into a full-blown legal crisis.